Hello guys, hope we're doing fine. So we've been introduced on the PixelLab app, but there's still much to learn, of course. Learning never ends. So today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple design using the PixelLab app. So at the end of this video, you would have started your designing work. So now what you need to do now is you go over to your Pinterest. I told you to download the Pinterest app. So go over to the Pinterest app now to download the image. So these are the Pinterest app looks like. If you've not downloaded it, make sure you do that now, please. So you go over to your Pinterest. So we're in the Pinterest already. So a whole lot of images, very clear and all that. So lovely images here, very clear. I encourage my students to make use of this. So let's say we want to search for something. So we'll come over to this search button here, click on it. So what you're looking for, let's say a beautiful man. Is there something as a beautiful man? Well, let's find out what Pinterest has to say. Okay, they're already giving me option for a beautiful girl. Are they trying to say that men are not beautiful? Yeah, thank you. So I've seen one, a beautiful man. You need to learn how to optimize your search, know how to search for things. Need to know. So I keep on saying this to my student: make Pinterest your friend. Although there are a whole lot of other apps there on other sites you can use, but Pinterest is remember one of the best. So while it's loading, so this okay, having trouble with connection. I'm online. Okay, network issues. So it's still loading. Don't mind background noise. Right, someone is busy. So let's say to download an image, all we need to do is click on this three dot here. So you can see the option. So what to do now is download image. Click on download image. So the image has been downloaded. So let's say we want to use this again. So all these are pictures of beautiful men. So you can see that men are really beautiful. So now we've downloaded what we want. We will now go back to our PixelLab app. So let's go back, let's minimize. Go back to PixelLab app. So I told you, like I said, we'll be making a simple, very simple design. So what we'll do now is let's say we'll add shape. Click on this plus icon here. Click on the plus icon to add shape. So whatever shape you want, whatever you want it, I told you down here, whatever shape you want. I want to use this shape as a background now, pencil. So whatever color you want, blue, if you're a lover of blue. So make this shape a background. Remember, you can always use gallery and all that. So next thing we'll do, lock this. Told you, showed you how to lock. So now we'll bring in that image. Bring in that image of our beautiful man. Yeah. So I don't know among these which of them is more beautiful. Well, maybe you get to decide later, but let me make use of this one. So you can make it circular. I can leave it like that. But let's say we'll make it circular. I think this picture is very beautiful. So I've proven you right that men can be beautiful. So yeah. Wow. Please, I will need your Wow, I feel. Oh, okay. Let me go on my teaching mode. I really love this picture. It's really beautiful. It was about the search. So you need to optimize how you search things on Pinterest, so you don't waste your whole time searching for something. You know how to search for something. So let me add text now. So add whatsoever text we want. Remember, you can keep coming on here to add text, or you just be copying it. Copy. You can see I copied that many times. You would think it's not showing. When I go here, you see them. You see them. So what I'll do now, I'll be taking them back. Told you this is for redo. Take a step back. So you can see. So now I have just two tests. So let's say this, put in as Sonwa graphics. Please, if you're hearing any background noise, bear with me. Where someone is doing something and I can't stop the person. Just pay focus on my words and on what we're doing. So let's say we have something on this. You can always change the color, but you know white goes with blue. White goes blue. So let's say, because bolden this, make it bold. Remember, you can italicize it. You can underline it. Don't just want to bolden it. To bolden our text, and you come here fonts. You choose whatever font you want. If you want it to be like this, Sonwa graphics. Yeah, okay. I did forget to put my trademark. I always put my trademark in all my stuff. So something like this. Yes, thank you. So you can see, can increase the size. Let's make it 55. Align it to the center. Emboss. You can emboss it. Make it look lovely. So remember, if you want to add a shadow to it, okay, let's just for today's teaching, let's add should we add a black or white shadow? Which one goes better? Blue. I think black. Okay, let's see, we add black. We'll reduce the blur radius. To something like this. So you can see it already. This looks very, very lovely. So you can also come here. Remember, if I want something like this, all I need to do is click on it and copy it, or I can still go ahead and write a whole new text all over again. So let's say I use this, changing the digital world. Changing the digital world. So I'll be making use of this. Lovely, something like this. So if I want, I can give it the same font. Let me bold it. If I want, I'll give it the same font, or I can, go ahead and choose something else that is very lovely. Show you. Let's say we use this. This is another font. So I can always use this. But if you want to use something like this, you reduce the size. So you use this. Changing digital world. I may need to change this font. So let me see. Let me change this font and see if there's something else I can make use of. Ziona. Changing digital world. Is this nice? Okay. I think this is lovely. Let's increase the size. Okay, let's make it 30. It cannot be as big as the Sonwa graphics. Change the digital world. So come over here. Bolting it already. You emboss it. Remember, this is an angle at 90 degrees. So you can always change it to whatever will suit you. It's all around to 360 degree. You change to what suits you. I touch, I don't know, okay. You can also increase the ambient light if you want it to come out much more brighter. can increase the intensity of the text. The bevel, can increase it or reduce it. All this, you have to make sure it suits you. So shadow, okay, let's say we still put a black shadow. Still then reduce it, not reduce. Remember, there's a whole lot of features you can use on this app, you can exploit. But this text is small, but we still want it to be okay. Remember to always align your text. Come over here. This line will direct you to like help you to know if your text align. So come over to text, click it. Is it aligned? Showed you relative position. It's aligned. Then we'll click this, align it also. It's aligned. So what we do now, we are going to space this so it reaches the end of my. So you come over here to spacing. Come over here to spacing. Increase it. Increase it. Still increase it to say 20 or more. So you can increase it to 20 or more, depending on where you want it to be. So you can only change it depending on what you want it to be. If you want, you can still remove those 3 dots are added there. So you can remove those 3 dots. Thank you. I don't need this now. So you can make it this, something like this. I've told you can also adjust it to reach the end of the Sonwa graphics, or you can use other things, to make it appear nice. So now for the text, come over here for the text. So I've told you anything you want. Okay, I love this. I'm saying here, see, always desire to learn something useful. So you bring in this, only desire to learn something useful. So from start, I'm already teaching you how to design something lovely. I'm not waiting for you to be a pro. I'm not waiting. So you can add the quotes. Here. Can add the quotes. So can add the quotes here. So first you change. Okay. I want something lovely. So told you. You can make it a quote. So always desire to learn something useful. Same thing. Bolden it. You can italicize it if you want. Okay, let's italicize it. Let's bolden it. So told you the same thing. You can add stroke. You can add shadow. Let's say we still add shadow. Enable shadow. We'll reduce it. So make it. Okay, let's make it 5. Let's see. Oh, desire to learn something useful. So this. You can always emboss it. Come over here. You emboss it. So I told you can use whatever degree you want it to appear up or down. Then the lights, you want it to be bright. Can adjust it here. So here, okay, if you want this your text to be dim, that's where opacity comes into play. So you reduce it. So why you can see the background, why you can still see something strange, because I added shadow effects. But if there was no shadow effects, you won't be able to see anything. So to increase it and reduce it, come over here. We're not here to do that. So we've had text like this. So let's remove this. We'll just fire. So if this is code by you, you can come down and write your name. So can write your name. Although this is not my quotes, but I choose to write my name. Okay. So I just write my name. So let's say Kingsley. Although I write a whole lot of codes, yes. If you follow me up on WhatsApp and the rest, you'll see I always love to write codes. I love to write. I'm passionate about learning new things actually, just as the text says. So, but if I want this to appear differently, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Told you, copy this. Then I change it. I delete this. I delete this. I just want just my name to appear. So you make it like this. Bring it down. This I will delete my name from here. So I'm showing you how to be very creative, a designer. So you can come. I show you how to lock if you don't want what you're doing to move around. Okay, no, we don't lock this. We want to bring this one down. So we can bring this down. Can reduce the size. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. 25. Something like this. So you can make something similar to this, something much more beautiful. I told you just a simple design. I want us to get our journey ahead. So let's say this text, if it's too big, you can reduce it or increase it to suit what you're doing. Say we reduce it, let's say reduce it a bit, just a bit. Let's say a bit, 45. You need to know, because this is the part of what I'll be teaching you. You can know how to align your text, how to align your images. I'll be teaching a whole lot, so make sure. So if you want to add a stroke to this, you can also add a stroke. So whatever color you want, white or black, you can also increase it. So you can see. But let's say we work with this. So you can see something lovely like this. So I will need you to make something like this and you send it to me. And please don't forget to like, to subscribe to my channel, please. I'll see you in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.